Here's how to fix NVIDIA graphics card not showing in Device Manager. To start, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Once the Device Manager window opens, click View from the top menu and select Show Hidden Devices. After that, click Action from the top menu and choose Scan for hardware changes. Now expand the drop-down next to Display Adapters and check whether your NVIDIA graphics card appears in the list. If you still can't find it, close Device Manager and open the Start menu again. Search for Settings and open the application. From the left-hand side, select Windows Update. Then scroll down and click Advanced Options. Scroll down again and select Optional Updates. If you see any available updates related to your computer's drivers, go ahead and install them. Once the updates are installed, check Device Manager again to see if your NVIDIA graphics card is now showing under Display Adapters. If the problem continues and you're using a Lenovo laptop, there's another solution you can try. Open your Lenovo Vantage or Legion app. Here, make sure DGPU mode is selected. You may not see this option on every system, but if DGPU is available, select it. This can help resolve the issue where the NVIDIA graphics card isn't being detected. If the graphics card is still missing, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Inside the Command Prompt window, enter the following command: bcedit/PCI Express force disable. Then press Enter. Once the command has been executed, check Display Adapters again to see whether your NVIDIA graphics card is now appearing. If you're still unable to find it, the final solution is to access your computer's BIOS settings. The method for entering BIOS can vary depending on your system, but in most cases, you can restart your computer and repeatedly press a key such as F2 while it starts up. This should take you into the BIOS settings. Once you're inside the BIOS, restore the settings to their original default values. After restoring the default BIOS settings, check Windows again. This should resolve the issue and allow your NVIDIA graphics card to appear under Display Adapters. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.